Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Prophet, and we are going to be looking at Polygon today. A lot of you guys have been asking in the comments for Polygon. A lot of Polygon comments asking, where do you see the price going next? Well, that depends on a lot of things, but we will take a look and we will get you a price prediction for the end of March, April, and at the end of 2021. Polygon MATIC is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The MATIC token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So, now that we know a little bit about Polygon, let's take a look at the market cap. It's at 1.9 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours sitting at 379.6 million, and the circulating supply at 5 billion MATIC. So there's a lot of potential here, a lot of good numbers that we can take a look at their actual website before we give a price prediction, and we'll see what's going on and see if we see a long-term future here. I do want to say you guys have been amazing in the comments and liking the videos and subscribing. I mean, the absolute support has been astonishing. So, because of that, I made a Discord server. You can join that in the, it's a link in the description. And then there's also my Twitter. I just made a Twitter. Haven't tweeted or anything yet, but I did make a Twitter. So you can follow me there for when I do start getting more active on social media. So, let's get right back into the Polygon website and see what we have to offer. So, there's an Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum's compatible blockchain networks. So you can click Get Started, or you can go to the papers and read more. We are actually going to go down and see the challenge. So Ethereum is in the blockchain development platform of choice, but it has a few limitations. We have the low throughput, poor UX, which is basically gas and delayed POW finality, no sovereignty, shared throughput, clogging risk, tech stack not customizable, and governance dependence. And then many projects are exploring Ethereum-compatible blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations while still leveraging Ethereum's thriving ecosystem. However, there is no specialized framework to build such blockchains, nor a protocol to connect them. This introduces significant development challenges and causes ecosystem fragmentation. So they have the solution right here. In the Polygon, a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. You have one-click deployment of preset blockchain networks, growing set of models for developing custom networks, Well, basically, if you go down this list, I'm not going to read it all because if you can continue down, there's an unlimited amount of features, it seems like. They have the ETH compatibility, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, developer experience, modularity. You basically have it all. And then they have the projects, the Poly Market, the Aave, the Decentral Games, SportX, EasyFi, and Neon District. And then you can read about the team as well. Obviously, this is a great project, and I think there's going to be a lot of potential here. It was previously called the MATIC Network, and there was a good reason for that. They changed to the Polygon Network, and now we're seeing big things. So if we go look at the price prediction chart, not price prediction chart, I guess it's a price chart, but we're going to make it a price prediction chart today. With the end of March, we're going to see a very big increase, I believe. So we've been seeing this huge decrease ever since we saw our all-time high here, March 11th, 3 p.m. We saw that 50-cent range, and we saw an 11-cent decrease since then as I'm speaking. And if you go back to the 1 week, we're seeing it decrease. We're not seeing much of a stabilization. Here we saw a little bit, and then we saw an increase, and we saw it stabilize right back down to that 0.4 area. If we continue to see it decrease, there could be problems for Polygon. I see Polygon being a long-term coin, but if you're trying to make quick profits, I see Polygon having some issues if it gets below that, let's say, 0.3 range. I think that will be a dip, and you can buy that dip for some solid gains most likely. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I will never be a financial advisor, and I will never give you guys financial advice. So do your own research on these coins. Obviously, there's a lot more to it than I can cover in my 6 to 7 to 8 minute videos. So make sure you take a look yourself. I just give you guys my price prediction based on the information that I know and the information that I've received, and based on my experiences in the last few years looking at cryptocurrencies. So if we look at the market cap in the last, we have that 1.9 billion, like we said earlier. And because of that, I think by the end of March, there will be a 50-cent Polygon. I think it won't go much higher than that. I want to be realistic. We saw that huge increase all the way up to 50 cents previously. I think we'll have a new all-time high. I think it'll reach about 52 cents, and I'm hoping it'll stabilize about 50 cents by the end of March. Polygon, though, I think by the end of April will definitely increase much more. I think depending on how well they do with their projects and their updates, and if they have any big news or anything, I think Polygon could end up being a 60 to 75 cent token just halfway through April. By the end of April, it has a chance at becoming a dollar coin, and that's very realistic with Polygon. If they can continue to solve these problems, Polygon will definitely become a dollar coin or higher. I think by the end of the year, we see Polygon reaching a $2 mark, and that's going to be about where it tops off. I think it could go higher potentially. Obviously, that depends a lot on the market cap and the circulating supply, but Polygon has the potential to go above $2 by the end of 21, and that's going to be my price prediction for Polygon. If you guys have any information that I missed out on, or have any price predictions that you think that I have not done a great job on, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you guys think there's going to be a different price by the end of 2021. I want to hear why you think it, though, and not just your thoughts on it. I will also try to be realistic on my price predictions. So if you guys are saying $5, $10 by the end of 21, I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm saying that I'm trying to be as realistic as possible, and based on their previous updates and projects and how the market is continuing to increase at a slower rate, or not a slower rate, but a faster rate, I see $2, $2.15 in that area definitely being possibility. And I want to see what you guys have and what kind of thoughts you guys think on Polygon itself. I think this coin is definitely a long-term potential. And like I always tell you guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I make a new video. Wow, I'm really struggling with this video, but you guys like the unedited videos, so I will always try to do the unedited so that we can keep it fast and up to date on the prices, and then we also have that transparency factor that you guys appreciate. So we have it at 39 cents right now on Polygon's current price, and that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.